Hello guys, this is the second part of advanced and features in QuickBook Online. Go to the gear button and click on Accounts and Setting. The Accounts and Setting window will be open. Go to the Advanced tab. In Automation Setting, in this, last two options are very important. Automatically invoice unbilled activity. It means some invoices you must send your monthly basis, your regular customers, and you will send monthly invoices on monthly basis. In other words, monthly billing. You can easily create automatic invoice from this option. So we'll use this setting. If we activate this option and select in drop down menu list, there are some options available in drop down menu list. There are three options available in drop down menu list. I will select a third option. In schedule option, I will select first day of every month. And our last option is automatically apply bills payment. If I activate this option, your monthly payment will detect your bank account and payment will be made your supplies automatically from your bank account. In language of option, you can easily select your language. I will select English. In currency option, you can select your currency as per your country. For example, USA currency. If I want to use multi-currency in QuickBook Online, then I will activate this option, multi-currency option. And our next option is other preferences. This is the date format. The different date formats are available. We can select number formats. Different number formats are available. This format will be appear in our ledgers. If I enter same check number 2 times in QuickBook Online, if I activate this option, one if duplicate check number is used, means if I enter supplier bills 2 times, then QuickBook Online will notify me this error. Third option, duplicate journal number is used, means if I enter same voucher number 2 times, then this my error will notify by QuickBook Online. Our last option is not use QuickBook Online for 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours. Then QuickBook Online will automatically log out. I will click on Save button. All new settings are now saved. If you like this video, please share this video on social media and WhatsApp group. We are also providing virtual bookkeeping service in very nominal prices. For bookkeeping service, visit our website www.parkbookkeeping.com. Link is available in video description. Okay guys, take care.